Hey Mizo ina hey namdang an han nei ti vel hi angai mo pol le Mizo taka khosak du ve pol hi chu kan ni ve thin renga ki ma po mei chia te na pasalan han nei te teng ji te po hi ka en ve tho na hei ka ngai lulu tuk lem lo ve thin ani chu ma mani to ka chuanin hey the Fanchuns sami tenu pa Spanish mei chia le he pa mi pa hi mình còn thấy nhiều người chú cái tuổi pui lúc tụi anh tour hay mi anh cal về te nghe anh vlog hang về cái anh nasa cho đến cái riêng về cha krim krim này chú mò hay min video hi lại cái riêng ngal một lần mail tra không mày hay nụ tệ hi mò.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Fanchuns channel.
Cantanella, Canlolo, Mateu.
That's right. Welcome. And today we have a great news to share. We just hit 20,000 subs on our YouTube channel the other day. Wow.
That's amazing, guys. Yeah, thank you so much. And in only 2 weeks. It's crazy.
2 weeks, 20,000 subs. We just can't believe it. We never saw this coming. But we just want to thank each and every one of you. We appreciate your love and support for all the views, for your likes and shares, and especially the comments. We really been enjoying them.
That's right. And for this milestone, we have prepared this video. So we gonna be...
Subtitle hi ada zel boka ke ma chen garon sai le kher don to lo ni na kiran comment ver ha an share ka ver kha an react kha ka react chok le do chu
Be reading through some of our favorite comments throughout all our platforms. So there's been so many, and we've read through all of them, but we've selected some that made us laugh or that we just loved reading. It was very hard to choose, but we have a few, so we'll read them together and we'll also react to them.
That's right. And I just wanted to say also, Shanirai soi to angkan kan social media tangdang comment sang tel tak miêu kan dong toa min tu sang na te mi long ai lu na te in comment thina wan kan lom ma comment pakhat mai lowin kan share thina kan limpui the ti ka karon soi dua. Let's get started on our first comment.
All right, so the first comment
laksa ngor
I have here.
A mail tra ser khop mai mo he nu Spanish mai sei mail tra khop mai he an video hi voi thum vel cho cái to ni cái mà ringot po hian mo voi thum vel cho cái en to cho nên tu na hian an share tran do na kan enang
It says, every time I watch your clip, I cannot stop laughing. You two look so cute. I think we always laugh so much, and that makes other people laugh as well. Laughing is contagious. So
yeah, it's that's very sweet. We're very happy to hear.
Adikolom hey mi lim mail mo mi nui mail hi chonin mi hi alo hey siam dang lam ve dai mo an lo then ve suk nui pui war lo mai la kan lo then ve suk zel adikolom an nui pe mo an lim ra lut tu kan om tlat.
Yeah, so that's very good. All right, so I'll read one here. I'll read the Mizo comments and I'll translate. This one says,
translate sak don mo
Kadu cheu oh, I love you guys so much. Ka ending Taylor. I always want to keep watching. You know, I can't get enough. Inu hi ama hi adu ngoi nang la hmuhnawm boxy. So you are just so cute. Is that your wife? And that you are very nice, very pleasant to see as well. Or to watch. Yeah. And lastly, inui mel hian ha atidam song te. And a little heart shape. It says your smiling faces is just very pleasant to watch and pleasant to see. So
that's very, very sweet. Thank you.
Alom thai ro tu ka lom om he mo.
Okay, next one in English. You both are so cute together. It's lovely to see you. Jeff is so charming. I agree.
That's
why I like him.
That's so nice. Thank you,
Hey hetia an video dang po henin anin mangai ani ti kha riat ta ni in mangai mail te lim mail tu ka mu nom hi he khovela hin om lo mai the ani จู่ๆเฮมีแต่หนูป่าเฮียงกับหมูอินกระเสียอันลมปุยหอมครอบไม่เจฟและสนีไรเลยกันเชื่อกันเอ็นชุนสมเสียหลัง
See? Lovely comment. This one says, Shanirai mu nom zia hicho. How should I say this? How lovely and entertaining it is to watch Shanira.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Namdang meichia mel chatak tak hi antama. Maro chu Shanirai chu mizo demo at ni tlata. Kan chuang big le zwa lo tailo. Okay. So it says, there are many other beautiful, let's say foreign girls as well. But Shanira is our Mizo daughter-in-law. So that's why I'm more proud of her for that reason. And it says, Amel tehi atales wal big in Kashia. So it says, for that reason, she looks even more beautiful.
อะไรสักเทียมก็เตียลิมเร็วลึกตัวก็ให้ก็เตียงอารมณ์ก็ไม่นั้นหมูแต่ครับว่าอามาแต่ถ้าครบไม่มีป่าป่วยเฟลนี่ที่เสียดง่อยนี่จู่เมลเลนุยเมลแต่ตรงด่านสงสารจะให้มีส่วนที่จู่อันนี้เราโดนเชียงลุตกกันนี่จู่มั่งมีป่าจอกป่วยเจฟ
They've accepted me in their Mizo community
แต่
already.
ป้องกันลมลุดตัวป่วยก็ติดเรา
You are Shanira Fanchuns. So.
อ๋อสันนิราฟันจุนนี่ก็ตัดฟันจุนน้ำมันนี่ก็
I feel very welcome. Thank you.
And then a little comment here.
My favorite internet couple.
Yeah, that's so
อ่า
sweet.
ฮันเตีย
All right, moving on.
Okay. Oh, okay. Serious question. How will I marry someone like your wife? Beautiful Spanish girl. Please help.
please help
That's hilarious. Okay. How should we answer that?
ครับว่าเกี่ยมาขันนี่ดูเมลก็เตียม please help เตียก็เตียงเชียว่าตีเวไหมข้าก็ดูเกี่ยมาคอมเมนต์นี่ตักก็ดีอันโลมันนินมานี่พอเห็นว่า
What I find funny is the please help part.
Please help. Yeah.
please help
Oh man, yeah.
Well, like the previous comments said, you have to be charming.
That's
like Jeff. So
That's very important.
อันเสียงแห่ไป
and
ป่ะ
he's excellent,
อันดีกังให้
excellent man. Everything about him.
อันดีโดนอันเฟลไงโดน
Aw.
Yes, not just physically, but his heart is what matters most.
ไม่ฮัด
Infa pa upaber ni turin kainwa.
อะไรก็เทียมเชี่ยแล้ว
He said, I give myself, or I'm ready to be your eldest son. He wants to be adopted by us.
อารมณ์เทเลยตัว
Funny.
Are we taking applications?
Unfortunately, no.
Not at the moment, at least. That's a funny comment as well.
อันที่ผมโดนลึกตัวกันมาในการ
People
เห็น
want
ว่า
to be adopted by us. Oh man. All right, next.
Okay. How she laughs is truly Asian, particularly northeastern India. What? Is there a specific laugh in northeast India? I don't get.
I think what they're trying to say is that you love to laugh, and then you don't you don't hold back when you find things funny. You just laugh out loud. You just enjoy laughing. And yeah, a lot of Asian girls and true Northeast Indian girls are like that. So that's the sort of the similarity that they see, I believe. Yeah.
Okay.
And I mean.
อ๋อมีไปน่าสวยเฟียสักนะฮีดิกกติยมให้บักเอเชียนจูให้กันมิดเมงแต่เราจิมเดี๋ยวตามมาให้มิดเมงจิมลุตุกจงเรามาเสให้อันหนุ่ยอันชิงซาแต่อันหนุ่ยให้อันเจเวลโมขัดอย่างจีแต่expression ขัดอย่างลันดางถึงชื่อมาแต่ให้มีเจ้ารีลเรมซองแต่เนี่ยโมเช่นล่างหนุ่ยหมอยงั้นหมดแล้วหนุ่ยปุ๊บวัดช่วงสดอันนี้นะแต่โอมก็ตีค่ะคอมเมนต์ครับว่า
He's got a good point. Is that when you laugh, your eyes just disappear.
That is true.
When my wife laughs, she looks more Asian than me.
I look very Asian.
Yeah, her eyes just gone. When we're both laughing together, I'm not sure if you've been noticing, but my eyes are still bigger. My eyes are bigger than hers when we're laughing together. So, yeah. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
This is one of my favorite comments. I should say. It says, "So sweet family. Ka favorite couple te. Ama Juan Justin Bieber te hi ka favorite couple Annie Tina. Tuna Juan the Fanchuns te. Number 2 Justin Bieber te."
Là rất thiếm về đây lát thầy chứ
Understanding this.
rin thiếm về lát rin thiếm
before
về
his favorite couple used to be the Justin Bieber couple, but now his favorite is the Fanchun couple. And the Justin Bieber couple, they are number 2 now.
Oh.
Yeah, so woo, they are.
Number 1.
anh nữ lại tắc hiện in kan cái bao stock đua cho nên nha kami chin ba ha ka dak po ka tum chuang lo ni jumo yamin ten pa hi an lo mom ka tia he solution nu mizo te kan racist lu tu kan chun ni na taka chuanin nam dang chu ti kha ti kan ti thina ma se chu kan nam kan claim wang ani ta kan nam nau pang ta chu wang chuanin kan racist ti mai la ani ve thawang chu mizo mei chena nam dang mi pa nei chuanin mizo na to pani tiang chi hial te po kha borok te pon om hat hat kha ma se mi pai nan nei chuanin nam kha bo chuang lo ta ti ve khania chuanin hei sa pan nei sim sim hi ke ma chuanin kangai sang em chuang lo wan nei don ne chu ka du ve thawanga ka ngai lut na chan bi lu tu kha ka khelawa mai ro chu mangai na hi a powerful ma khovela hianin mai na ba ka powerful hi a om ka ring lawa an lo in duan in mangai ni chon eng nam po neng miang mo chu mi zo te po hin kan ngai tu ve hi tha chu ti zong te po ril ru kan ngai tu na kan put ve hi tha in ka ria chuanin hemi ten du pa poi ka lom puya mai ro chu kan nam hum hal nan hianin mi zo chuan mi zo ti ram ro hi chu ka du thu sam chu ani ve reng thawa ke ma bi ka po chuanin he khami chin chi ha ka da do na chuan link ka hi description a karon danga in lo va en chun zomanga chuan the Fanchuns ti tuna tak hi chuanin min ron le pel fu don ti chu ka hrenga mas tuna tak hi jong ke ein subscriber na nei claim jok ve khang la na wangin la subscribe lo inam chuanin subscriber te jinga in lo va subscribe don ne an hmuhnawm lu tuk mo khoi mo Korea te Philippines ti vel khoi mon fan na kha han en taw la mo hmuhnawm lu tuk an lom o man limpui mo an mani te he mi zo de te hen anin ko mani chu mo ngai zo an nu panun te hin mangani chu chu kan non rek ve shim shim ani ale description a full video and then a link karon dang le kalome bye bye